Everyone, welcome to the history class. Students, in this video I'll be giving you a map practice. In class 11th, the map question generally comes of 5 marks, and in this video I'm covering 4 chapters, 4 themes, different themes, and their maps of these 4 themes. So let's start. First theme which I have taken is theme 4, that is the Central Islamic lands. Now the question generally comes in the form like locate the Abbasids' capital. It was Baghdad. Locate the Umayyads' capital. It was Damascus. The place where Prophet Muhammad started preaching Islam was Mecca. Or this question can be asked in another form like where the Kaaba is situated. So you need to know it is in Mecca. Then the place where Prophet Muhammad shifted with his follower from Mecca in the year 622 CE. This is a very important fact. The place was Medina. So he shifted from Mecca to Medina. And 622 CE, this year is an important year. From this year onwards, the Islamic calendar started, or the Hijri calendar started. Right? And another question, prominent question is the Holy Land for which many crusades were fought between Christians and the Islamic people. So the place was Jerusalem. So let's find out where is Baghdad, Damascus, Mecca, Medina and Jerusalem first. So this map is given in the book also. I'll tell you these are the important places. So firstly, the Abbasid capital, it is Baghdad here near to the Persian Gulf. Then the capital of Umayyads, it is Damascus here where the Syria is written. Just below that you will find Damascus. Then the Mecca was the place from where Prophet Muhammad started preaching Islam, and he shifted to Medina in the year 622 CE with his followers. So Mecca and Medina is very close to each other. Both the places are very close to each other. Then the Jerusalem, I'll show you where exactly the Jerusalem is. It is here near to the Mediterranean Sea. This dot. This is Jerusalem. It is in modern day Palestine. So it is close to the Mediterranean Sea. So these are the important places. Jerusalem is a holy land for the Christians and the Muslims. So both the communities were fighting, were in constant fight with each other to capture Jerusalem. This place here, right? So these are some important places: Mecca, Medina, Jerusalem, Damascus and Baghdad. Now besides these, the question can be asked directly like mark the following places. So Kufa, Basra, Khurasan, Bukhara, Samarkand. So these are some of the important places, places which is important from Islamic point of views. Many of these places were emerged as an important centers, Islamic centers. So let's see where is Kufa, Basra, Khurasan, Bukhara and Samarkand. Now here is Basra, again near to the Persian Gulf. Then here is Khurasan, you can see here. Then above that is Samarkand. Then here in bold letters Transoxiana is written. Just below that is Bukhara. This one. And the last one is The last one is Kufa. It is here, near to the Basra. This one. Here is Basra, then Kufa, then Khurasan, Samarkand, and then Bukhara. So these are important places related with the Islamic dynasties. Then if you remember, a Fatimid dynasty emerged in Egypt. So they have established Cairo and Fustat. So these are also important from map point of view. The Fatimid dynasty emerged here in the Egypt region. So Cairo and Fustat were important cities. So just keep in mind that these cities are situated here. Then moving to the next theme, that is theme 9, the Industrial Revolution. The question can be directly asked, like mark these important industrial centers in the map of England: Manchester, Liverpool, London, Newcastle, Birmingham. So these are some of the important industrial centers. So let's see. Again, the map is given in the book. Here in the middle is Birmingham. London is here. London is the capital also. Then Manchester is here. Liverpool is here. And Newcastle is here. At least 4-5 places you need to know. These are some of the important iron and coal manufacturing areas. And as you can see, in the northeastern part of England, you will find this region is having a very good coal and iron ore deposits. So most of the industries are here, but you need to remember at least 5 of them so that you can mark it in the map. Now next I am covering theme 6, that is the 3 orders, and theme 7, that is changing cultural traditions. Now in these two chapters, some of the important places we have come across that you need to know from my point of view. These are Florence, Venice, Rome, France, and Mediterranean Sea. Right? Florence, Venice, Rome, France, and Mediterranean Sea. So let's see in the map. This is France, a very big nation of Europe. Then here is Mediterranean Sea above Africa. This is Africa. Above Africa is Mediterranean Sea. And this lady shoe shape like country is, this you can see, this is Italy. So in Italy you will find other important cities. Here is Venice, Florence is here, and Rome. Rome is the capital of Italy. So these are important places that we have come across in both these themes, and I have marked important iron ore and coal deposit centers or manufacturing centers of England here also. So here is Manchester, Newcastle is here, then Liverpool is here, London is here, and Birmingham is here. This is a very congested, because it's a very small nation if you see in the European map. So if it is not clear here, you can see this map also. It is given in the book. So at the end, these are the maps, map of Eurasia and Europe for your practice. So all the best for your exams, and do the practice of these maps. Thank you for watching this video.